we got a Bespoke post box here that we're gonna open up. Let's see when this one was sent to me. This one was sent October 15th. Okay, we did open it and look and then closed it back in October. So I have no clue what's in this box. It wasn't something I was interested in like right at that moment, so I was like, okay, we'll look at it later. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I have no clue. Ooh, nice.
Man stuff.
The box is called Angler, so it's going to be a filleting knife. Let's see if we can figure out how to get her out of here. Of course. Okay, so those are gloves. Real sure? Not real sure. I mean, seems to be okay with probably from magnet fishing or something. Something that's just used a couple times and it's destroyed. They don't seem like they're. It says high, whatever that is. I'm not a big fan of this. What's come on. All right. Wow. Feels like I almost cut myself there. Ooh. Oh. Made by Real Simple Tools. Real, R-I-L. Real Simple Tools. Sheath isn't very good. It works though. It works. Okay, what is in this? Oh, it's got a full thing. Yeah. Oh, nice hard case sheath. Sheath says pliers on it. Oh, those are tough. Real Simple Tools. This is the same company. Alright. Nice feel. I'm not even worried about the blade right now. It's got a little lock right here. Go down that. Locks it. It locks. So neat. Has a real nice feel. Oh, it does have a snipper thing here where you can cut your line. So don't put it in there and close it. But by a lot of looking at it, it's gonna cut. Okay. I mean, I don't know. Maybe it won't.
Man stuff.
Boom. Oh, just slice right there. Nice sound to it too. It feels really nice. Really nice. Oh wow. Yeah. Okay, we like that. The sheath on this feels really good too. It's kind of rubbery. I like it. I like that. Right there. That part I like. The sheath I don't like. Cutting, I don't know. Is it gonna? I mean, is that safe? Oh, okay. All right. She cut pretty quick, pretty easy. Okay. That's okay though. I mean, will it fillet a fish? Probably, more than likely.
Man stuff.
Am I gonna go fishing just so I can use it? Probably not. I mean, I'm going to go fishing, just not specifically, just so I can use that. So, I like my knives. But I think the real thing here is that feels amazing. Real tools. You guys need to put some more stuff in. Maybe get some, I don't know, actual tools. You know, not fishing. Fishing stuff. What is this? This is a blade sharpener.
Man stuff. Got a little keychain with it. I don't care if it's a keychain, but hey, it's a blade sharpener to sharpen your blade. So neat, awesome, cool. Thank you. This is pretty badass looking. Feeling. Not gonna lie.
I like it.